tasty recipes with Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is beef keema, biryani. So, let's get started. Take some cooking oil according to your rice quantity. Add almost 1.5 kilograms of chicken. Fry until the color changes. Our fried chicken is ready, so now take out them. Take the same cooking oil in which we fried the chicken. Add star anise in it, black cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, black pepper. Add almost 1 kilogram of chopped onion. Fry the onions. Now add almost 1.5 kilograms of minced meat. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Ginger, garlic, green chili. Grind them in the grinder to make a paste. Now add this ginger garlic chili paste. Also add 4 spoons of water. Roasted coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, garam masala, red chili powder, chili flakes, salt. Add these spices. Dried plum, tamarind, also add these. Cook it for a while. Now add paste of almost 3 kilograms of tomatoes. As the oil has separated, so now add the fried chicken. Add some green chilies. Also sprinkle some mint. Take nutmeg mace in a utensil. Nutmeg, cinnamon, black cardamom, cloves and black pepper. Star anise, cardamom. Now grind these spices in a grinder to make a powder. Add this powder in the prepared gravy. Our gravy is ready. Take some water according to the quantity of rice, and add salt according to your taste in it. Add some cloves. Now cover it and make the water boil. As the water has started boiling, so now add 3.5 kilograms of rice. Stir it slightly and make the rice boil. The rice has been boiled. Strain the rice in the strainer. Now add a layer of rice in the utensil. Add a layer of gravy on it. Sprinkle some fried onions, some mint, the grinded powder. Add the second layer of rice, and repeat the process. Finally, the last layer. Also add 2 teaspoons of kura essence. Sprinkle some grinded powder. Now cover it and cook it on high flame for 10 minutes and on low flame for 20 minutes. Almost 30 minutes have passed. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.